Here's a pair of Beats Fit Pro. I'm going to show you how to connect or pair directly to your Samsung TV. So the first thing is we have to go to the Bluetooth settings or the speaker settings on your Samsung TV. So what you want to do is you can just go ahead and press on the home button, and then when all these apps down here show up, just move her all the way over to the left where the settings icon is, left, right here. Now, I mean, there's a couple ways you can do it, okay? You can move over here and go to TV speaker, but I'm just going to do it this way here. Go to settings, click on that, and now from here we're just going to go down one to sound and then move over to the right. And now currently the sound output, the audio is coming out of my TV speaker directly, okay? So we're going to go ahead and pair it to these Beats. So let me go ahead and click on right there, and now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker right there. And now don't worry about all the other headphones and earphones I have plugged in or paired. Now let's go ahead and get the Beats Fit Pro, and now what you want to do is just open it, and they open it, it should start flashing white here, which means it's in pairing mode. Oh, I just found it right there. If you don't see this flashing, then you can just close it, the lid, and open it, or if you open it and it doesn't flash, just press and hold for about 5 seconds, this button here, until it starts blinking white. Okay, anyway, mine is blinking. I already found it down here. It needs pairing. Beats Fitbit Pro, click right there, pair and connect, right there. And now they're connected, okay? Now the thing is, if you have an issue where you're not able to connect, it's not able to find it or whatnot, then just go ahead and you can just go ahead and factory reset these earbuds here. Look in the link below. I show you how to factory reset these. All right, pretty simple. Okay. Any questions or issues? Just comment below. Good luck, guys.